Hi Phil, this is Harry, and you asked about the circuit breaker, so I'm walking to it in the basement, and here it is. I only see one open panel right there. Not that I know too much about this. If it helps, I'll zero in on whatever all that information is. I guess you could pause and see that. And it looks like it's pretty full up. I hope that doesn't cause a problem. But one piece of good news is that the garage is really nearby. So if I go to right there, and it's only about 10 feet away, I'm going to walk over there so you can see what I'm doing. There's the, here maybe I'll go like this. There's the breaker box there. And over here is the washer and dryer. And I confirmed that the garage is, here it is. Do you see this right here? This piece of coaxial, I guess it is. That hole right there, see how it has white paint on it? That's in the garage right around where we need to put the 240. So from here to the breaker, which is over there, looks like about 10 feet. And I think maybe a little bit up because that's pretty close to ground level there. Right about somewhere around there would be, I guess, where the 240 could go in. Anyhow, that's essentially it. I'll post this on YouTube and you can have a look. Text me if you have any questions or call.